Good morning, Wake County. It's Friday, September 12th. Here's your daily dose of smarts for your ears, and I'm Steve, pouring the coffee, cueing the news, and keeping it neighborly. You can call me Granddude, too. At this point, we're basically friends. Coming up, serious charges in Raleigh, changes at RDU, and a community honoring 9/11 with care. As I poured my coffee, these headlines just wouldn't leave my mind. Hey, neighbor! Today's shaping up to be pretty nice with mostly clear skies. A little fog this morning, especially northeast, so take it easy if you're driving early. Temps stay in the upper 70s to low 80s, cooling off tonight. First up, 2 men have been arrested in separate rape cases in Raleigh. News and Observer reports both suspects are 23 and facing multiple charges. The cases aren't connected, but it's a heavy reminder to look out for each other. Want the easy way to hear the next episode? Just say, "Play Good Morning Wake County Podcast" to Alexa or Siri. If you don't know who they are, ask a kid. Heads up if you're flying out of RDU soon. WRAL says the Park RDU Central entrance off John Brantley Boulevard is closed. Follow the detour signs and give yourself extra time. You know how airport parking goes. Also, in Wake Forest, North Taylor Street shuts down weekdays from 7 to 5 starting Monday. The town says it's for water main work between East Cedar and Flaherty, so plan that detour now instead of learning the hard way. Now for something meaningful, dozens of volunteers showed up at Raleigh National Cemetery on September 11th. CBS 17 says they spent the day cleaning the graves of fallen heroes. Small, quiet acts like that, they speak louder than any speech. Here's a little neighbor wisdom. Wave first, it costs nothing and buys everything. Over at the General Assembly, lawmakers are responding to that fatal stabbing on a Charlotte train. WRAL says leaders held a press conference here in Raleigh about transit safety. Changes they push for could ripple across the state. And don't worry, I've got your dad joke coming up. Governor Stein is also making noise about healthcare costs. Ground News says he's urging Congress to extend ACA tax credits before they expire. Without them, 150,000 North Carolinians could lose coverage, and premiums could double. Now, I promised you a dad joke, and I always deliver. Why don't seagulls fly over the bay? 'Cause then they'd be bagels. If that one made you groan, you're in good company. By the way, if you like true crime stories, check out my other podcast, True Crime Cases You Haven't Heard, over at truecrimeunheard.com. Until next time, stay safe, stay curious, stay subscribed. And don't forget, you can join the Secret Show email list at tapyournews.com. That's where I send out the extras every now and then. Make it part of your morning, at home, in the car, or when you sneak that hide in the bathroom break. Trust me, even I figured it out.